2002 Ford Ranger, one owner, 4x4, Super Cab, 4-door Edge with the 4.0 liter. Incredibly clean truck. One owner, no accidents, needs nothing. Tow package, sliding rear window. Both doors open up. This is the Super Cab. Edge. Pretty rare truck. Just incredibly clean. Running boards, fog lamps, all original. Not a door ding on this truck. Cloth interior. Second door, so there's 4 doors. Cruise control, no peeling of the cruise control buttons that you find. Six CD changer, 4-wheel drive. There's the Carfax report, one owner. Seats, everything is just incredibly clean. Vehicle is running. This is a Texas vehicle, no rust. (2002) Ford Ranger Super Cab 4-door Edge 4x4, one owner, in absolutely wonderful condition.